Hey yo, it's Chris O. See what? See that guy over there, over the road? He's trimming his hedge. Now, what would I be doing if I wasn't tiling and showing people how to do it on YouTube? What would I be doing? I'd probably be doing that. But hey, I'm getting paid for this. But he's probably made all his money already. Who knows? He might be just having a day off too. Anyway, let's get this rocking and rolling. Always start on an angle. Let's see if it fits. If I had a I didn't realise my bloody radio was going. God, I walked around the corner, it was still playing. Oh well. Be up for copyright, God. Some dickhead will say, "Oh, you played my song." I want the copyrights now. Okay. By Jingos. I just need to take a little bit. You have to be pretty careful with these because they're not leaving much. They're not leaving much room for a flange these days. So what you do, people, when you just need to take a little bit more out, you use your side piece, your diamonds on the side. And you just push it up gently. Let's see how we have done, everyone. Okay, that looks all right to me. Let's pop it in. I'll just check though. You see that's what, 6mm. I've got a bit of a of 6mm, but I'm pretty sure I'll just check the flanges before I glue it up. This is Chriso. We'll see you on the flip side. Yo! I always like to just check it, see if it covers, and it does, but they are getting so tight. I did one on a job, and the tile was so hard, and I had to cut it by hand, and oh geez, did I have trouble, because it only had about a 4mm coverage. But I got there in the end. It took I don't know, 3 times to do it. But I got it in the end, so it was good. Alright, that covers. Let's carry on up. Stay tuned, people.